Hello and welcome. In today's video I'll be showing you the addition to the drone controller. It's a asset pack called Meeting Room with the collaboration MLX from the Unity Asset Store. I will provide a link in the description. So we will be integrating our drones into the real-time baked scene with GI from Meeting Room. Okay, so let's go ahead and implement our drone. First of all, let's go ahead and delete this basic camera. Switch to scene view and let's go ahead and put our drone, let's say buzz, somewhere here. So the first problem we have is different scaling, and we're gonna go ahead and fix that with the transform tool the Unity has for scaling. Let's go with something 0.2, 0.2, 0.2. That looks good, looks in scale with everything else. Now go into drone controller again, prefabs, and there is a main camera. Go ahead and drop it into your scene and adjust the starting view to your preference, something like this. And basically that should be it. But let's go ahead and save the scene. But if you hit play, you will see one problem, and that's our scene was previously scaled differently, and now basically we have wrong values. So we have to address that by changing the values, and let's divide everything, let's say 4, and let's see how it works. 150, 100 for the side movement. Now let's go ahead and say something like this. These values, let's go ahead and hit play. And these values look indeed much better for our new added scene. Basically, that's how simple it is to add your drone into any scene, especially this one that you will get with this package with the drone controller and the meeting room. If you have any questions, you have my email in the documentation, and thank you for watching.